what do you want to say about the youth, your tenure, and what initiative you are taking this year, and you can talk about that.
Thank you, and good evening, friends. Today is a big day. I'm going to be installed as a president of Rotary Club of Bombay Bandra. In this year, we have planned to apply for a global grant. Global grant is a project where whatever funds and donations we collect, the same are matched by the district. So we have already collected $30,000, and where we have contributed $10,000, $20,000 by the Rotary Club of New York, which who's a partnering club with us, and Rotary Club of Mumbai Prevhats. This particular project is about providing artificial limbs to the needy and people who lose their limbs because of accidents, because of medical needs, and born disabled. So providing limbs not only gives them give mobility, but it changes the life and the entire household. We have amazing examples where people with those limbs which we provide are fully mobile like a normal human being. You can't even make out that they are wearing the limbs, and they are doing amazing work. They are driving two-wheelers and four-wheelers as well, dancing away and very happy. You have seen the Paralympics this year, and you have seen how people have performed, Indians especially has performed in Paralympics by wearing those limbs. So that is our idea, to support the community with those limbs. Apart from that, there are very, very major areas which are ignored by many of the NGOs or the government as well, like cochlear ear implants. They're very expensive, but people with cochlear implant, if it's provided, then they can hear as a normal human. Then there is retinopathy of prematurity. A small child just born, if identified in the hospital itself with a retina disorder, can be corrected then and will never lose the sight. But if it is left for just a few more weeks and the child goes blind. So that is one major area we are looking at. We are also working on projects where we are pediatric heart surgeries, where small children who require pediatric heart surgery, and it improves their life, makes their life longer. These are the major areas we are looking at, doing work at. And Doctor, any other project you would like to add?
Any future plans you would like to convey to audience?
So we have been doing a lot of work ongoing for the beach cleanup drives at Carter Road, which is our pet project. We do every year. We collect the students in thousands and clean the beaches and the mangroves. That is one of the major areas. Women empowerment. We are trying to provide underprivileged women with the knowledge of AI. By using AI on their smartphones, their life can be much more better. And apart from women empowerment, we are also working on, there are so many things to talk. I can go endlessly. We have so many projects. And
so we are also working on education, and we are launching the official Rotary Scholarship for underprivileged children on 16th of August.
Also, friends, we would like to share that we already have started a Rotary dispensary at Dr. Ambedkar Road with the active support and partnership of Humanity Foundation. This particular clinic, any patient underprivileged can go and avail medical consultancy for just ₹10, and we will be supporting the particular cause. Whether it is dialysis, any medical consultancy, any issue you have got, we have expert doctors sitting there. Please go and take advantage of this. Also, we are setting up a legal aid center in the same premises. We'll have a room with a dedicated time where senior lawyers will be available, who will give legal aid for poor people. Like a lot of SRA, a lot of slum development is happening, and people are not able to avail of legal aid because it's very expensive. So your free legal aid will be provided. At least you will know the basics of the legalities where you can take your own decisions. That's it for now. We're doing a lot of work, and I'm happy to share, and will continually be help. And thank you very much for coming and helping us.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
रोटरी क्लब के नए प्रेसिडेंट आज अपॉइंट होने वाले, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या बेस्ट विशेष देना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ। आज रोटरी क्लब तो इतने सालों से काम कर रहा है और आज नए प्रेसिडेंट फिर से एक अच्छा काम करने वाले हैं और हमारे दोस्त ही है, तो हमें बहुत खुशी है। और हम लोग आज नया ही प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया कि जो अपंग है, जो हैंडीकैप लोग हैं, उनके लिए एक अलग से एक प्रोजेक्ट चालू कर रहे हैं। अरे रोटरी के माध्यम से, बांद्रा रोटरी के माध्यम से ही ये प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा।
Introduce yourself and what do you want to say about the new president?
I'm not saying it. God, you president. Okay, just wait. Okay. Hi. So it is an honor to be a part of this Rotary event today, and I am the official Smile Care expert to Rotary, and it is a privilege to make people smile and give them that healthy teeth confidence. You all can hear me?
Yes, yes.
My sound is clear.
थोड़ा और बढ़ाओ.
Acha, wait. I'll speak loudly again.
Once again.
Where am I supposed to look, here or here? Okay, first tell me that. Yeah. Good evening to all. It is an honor to be a part of this Rotary event today. I am the official Smile Care expert, Dr. Ayushi Patnaik, for the Rotary Club of Bandra, and it is a privilege to create happy and healthy smiles for a better and a healthier lifestyle, and also give people the confidence of smiling and living their life to the fullest. Thank you.
First of all, welcome to our event and क्या कहना चाहेंगे रोटरी क्लब के जो नए प्रेसिडेंट हैं उनका अपॉइंटमेंट आज होने वाला है, क्या बेस्ट विशेष होंगी आपकी तरफ से, इसके बारे में अगर कुछ शेयर करें?
Actually, I was not well, and जब मैंने ये सुना कि I got the opportunity to come here and give best wishes, so I'm always there for the wishes, and I'm all the time wishing my friends also. So I think Fayaz sir, you can see Fayaz Rangwala, like I think he's going to rock this place as usual. आप सभी जानते हैं that the Rotary Club is always the best. So I think he's going to upcome with some new opportunities and new things we are going to see in this club, and I really wish the best to him.
Any plans to associate with Rotary Club for any initiative?
Yes, today is my initiation. Today is the first day of my initiation. I'm sure after the interview I'm going to have more collaboration and association with this club for sure. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आज रोटरी क्लब के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, उनका अपॉइंटमेंट है, क्या बेस्ट विशेष होंगी आपकी तरफ से और क्या कहना चाहेंगे रोटरी क्लब बैंड्रा और क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव के साथ आगे बढ़ने वाला है, क्या क्या फ्यूचर प्लान है?
Good evening everyone. We have all gathered today for the glorious installation of the one and only Fayaz, a very senior Rotary member who has been serving Rotary and the communities in Bandra for the last almost 20 years. We have known Fayaz to be a very active Rotarian, and he does projects for very diverse types, working in all the avenues that is needed. He works with the old age homes, he works with the destitute, he works with the elders, with the children, the orphans, ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप, स्क्रीनिंग कैंप्स, आप बोलिए हर किस्म का काम इस क्लब बैंड्रा करता है। और इस क्लब का एक रिकॉर्ड है लास्ट 20 साल से, जब तक मैं इस क्लब को जानता हूँ, यहाँ जब भी कोई दुखियारा किसी भी काम से आया है उसको इन्होंने कभी वापस नहीं भेजा है। जितनी इनकी ताकत है उसकी क्षमता से ज़्यादा ये लोग काम करते हैं, कुछ न कुछ हर किसी के लिए करते हैं और कोई आज तक निराश होकर यहाँ से गया नहीं। तो आसपास के लोगों को मेरा अपील है कि अगर आपकी कोई भी तकलीफ है जो आपको लगता है कि हम लोग हेल्प कर सकते हैं, प्लीज़ रोटरी क्लब बैंड्रा के पास आइए, ये लोग आपकी मदद हो सके उतनी पूरी करेंगे। थैंक यू। डन। अरे
आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा, नए प्रेसिडेंट जो है उनका अपॉइंटमेंट होने वाला है, क्या बेस्ट विशेष होंगी आपकी तरफ से उनके लिए और रोटरी क्लब के साथ अगर आपके एसोसिएशन के बारे में कुछ बताएं हमारे?
Sure. I've actually worked with him for a couple of years. He's a guiding light to Rotary Bandra, and very compassionate person. Anyone who comes to him, he will help out. And I look after some of the medical projects and some of the camps in the slums, and he's always been very supportive.
Okay, so this year we are starting, we are focusing on 5 new projects. So we are going to provide prosthetic limbs, then we have support in cochlear implants, then we are also doing this, premature babies के लिए retina scanning to avoid blindness in premature babies. Then we are starting a Bandra के अंदर we are starting a medical clinic in Bandra. And the project close to my heart is we are starting a legal clinic for free legal aid in Bandra West. Yes.
And I will add to that, we are also doing malnutrition camps in Bandra for the underserved communities and children. India has the largest number of stunted growth and brain growth. So we are starting with our community.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सर हमारा क्लब बहुत अच्छा है. वी आर लाइक अ फैमिली एंड वी रिमेन लाइक अ फैमिली. कभी भी कोई भी कुछ होवे वी आर ऑलवेज टुगेदर. हाथों में ज़्यादा दम नहीं रहता पर अंगुलियों के साथ दम ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. और हमारा एक फैमिली है, सब साथ में रहते हैं लाइक अ ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. वेर एवर एनीबडी इज रिक्वायर्ड वी आर ऑलवेज देयर. मेडिकल प्रोजेक्ट हो, कुछ भी हो, गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू.
Congratulations.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे सबसे पहले जो इनिशिएटिव आप लोग लेने वाले हैं उसके बारे में कुछ हमारी ऑडियंस को बताइए. क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव है और रोटरी क्लब बैंड्रा अब क्या क्या नया करने वाला है?
Yeah. So पहले आपका अपना introduction दिया.
Yes, first of all introduce.
Yeah. Greetings everyone. This is Dr. Satyajit. I am the Joint Secretary of Rotary Club of Bombay Bandra, and I would like to welcome you to the installation ceremony 2026-27 of our club.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, I'm Abbas Shahiwala. I'm with Rotary Club from 13 years and wishing our president a successful year. We have Mr. Brij Mehra, one of the founders of our club. Sir, please something for
Yeah.
the viewers.
I wish all this guy Fayaz very great year. Wait.
Yes, sir.
I wish Fayaz a very great year, and Bombay Bandra should rise and rise.
All the best to everybody. Thank you.
Fayaz sir.
Fayaz,
Yes, sir. Anything you would like to say?
वो वहाँ पर.
Fayaz तो आएगा तो बात करेगा.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, first of all, introduce yourself and what best wishes you like to convey to new president.
I am Dr. Takro, attached to Bandra Rotary Club. I am privileged to be attached to them, so that under the guidance of many senior people, I can do some projects to the benefit of the community and some school and certain orphanages.
Thank you so much.
But that's all.
नए president choose होने वाले हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
डॉक्टर साहब बताएंगे. Yeah. So hello everyone. I am Dr. Patnaik, Joint Secretary, Rotary Club of Bombay Bandra, and this year is very special for us because we are going ahead with not only one but 3 medical projects, and so we have a special person, Mr. Sameer Naik, who will be the official celebrity manager of our club.
सर आप कितना एक्साइटेड हैं, क्या विश करना चाहेंगे?
Thanks a lot, sir, for appointing me as a salary manager.
Thank you so much for all of this.
गण है, जो अधिकारी गण है, जिनके द्वारा एक कार्यक्रम कराया जा रहा है, उनको विशेष बहुत उनको एक धन्यवाद, उनको एक शुभकामना. और ये कार्य रोटरी क्लब तो बहुत ही प्राचीनतम है. इसके तो पूरे विश्व में, वर्ल्ड में शाखाएं हैं, और यहाँ पे जो हो रहा है वो इसके सारे लोग बहुत पहले से एक दूसरे से जुड़े हैं, कनेक्ट हैं. और विशेष तरीके से आप देखोगे तो समाज सेवा में ही उनका रहता है. कहीं कोई भी किसी तरह की सामाजिक परेशानी आती है, वो लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं, सहयोग करते हैं और एक दूसरे का सहायता करते हुए एक दूसरे के प्रॉब्लम को दूर करते हैं. और वो बहुत ही एक प्राचीन और एक प्रसिद्ध ऐसी व्यवस्था है जिसमें सारे लोग एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, एक दूसरे के दुख सुख को समझते हैं. कभी ऐसी अवसर आती है तो उसके लिए देश समाज के लिए हमेशा गौरवान्वित रहते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए बहुत बड़ी शुभकामना. धन्यवाद.
Mr. Brij Mehra is also a charter member. They are the people who started this club.
Yes, sir.
Come, Satyajit.
New president. Sir.
Hi.
Come, Kozim, come.
To be in the Rotary Club of Bombay Bandra when Ayaz becomes the president the 3rd time. Am I right?
थैंक यू सो मच सर, ऑल द बेस्ट। एक फोटो ले लो मेरा सर, एक साथ में
रजत भाई
सर, रोटरी क्लब जो है इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा क्लब है, पैन
हाँ
इंडिया।
करेक्ट।
और बैंड्रा का रोटरी क्लब अब जो है नए प्रेसिडेंट जो है अपॉइंट होने वाले हैं
हाँ।
आज। क्या बेस्ट विशेष होंगी आपकी तरफ से उनके लिए?
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि बैंड्रा मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है, क्योंकि मैं खुद एक बैंड्रा बॉय हूँ। मतलब मेरा जन्म होली फैमिली हॉस्पिटल में हुआ, मेरी स्कूलिंग स्टैनिस्लॉज में हुई, और मेरे बेटे का जन्म भी होली फैमिली में हुआ। तो इन दैट सेंस बैंड्रा इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट। ऑब्वियसली एनीथिंग न्यू, कुछ भी अगर नया आता है, चेंज आता है, दैट इज़ ऑलवेज बेनिफिशियल। सो आई बिलीव द न्यू प्रेसिडेंट विल डू ग्रेट वर्क, कंटिन्यू द लेगेसी ऑफ रोटरी क्लब, लेकिन और बेहतर करेंगे उसको। एंड माई बेस्ट विशेज आर ऑलवेज विद देम, because Rotary Club is something we always look forward to in terms of helping people, in terms of helping the downtrodden. So my best wishes are always with the club and with the president. Thank you. Thank you.
बड़ा क्लब है जो बहुत ही सोशल इनिशिएटिव में पार्ट लेते हैं।
Correct.
बैंड्रा रोटरी क्लब में नए प्रेसिडेंट का अपॉइंटमेंट हो रहा है आज, क्या बेस्ट विशेष होंगी आपकी तरफ?
सो वेल, एक तो रोटरी क्लब बहुत ही अच्छे कामों के लिए जाना जाता है, which creates social impact, social awareness for the society and for all the underprivileged people from lower strata of society, for kids, people who are suffering from various ailments. So I'm here at the installation ceremony of the new president, the upcoming president, the forthcoming president. So I wish him all the very best, and may he keep shining and scaling greater heights during his tenure as the president. And I'm sure and hopeful that he'll carry the legacy of the previous presidents, which they have been doing in terms of social service awareness. And wishing him all the luck, and hope we get to associate and collaborate together on our forthcoming projects. Me as an actor, me as a content creator, hope to associate with the president of Rotary Club Bandra. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
सर, क्या बेस्ट विशेष देना चाहेंगे जो नए प्रेसिडेंट आज अपॉइंट होने वाले हैं? क्या आपकी तरफ से?
नए प्रेसिडेंट जो अपॉइंट होने वाले हैं वो हमारे काफ़ी अच्छे मित्र हैं। काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, और मुंबई हेल्थ केयर जो हम लोग का एक वन ऑफ द एसोसिएशन है जो लास्ट 6 साल से हम लोग चला रहे हैं। उसके बाद में हम लोग ने रिसेंटली एक सेकेंड ओपिनियन .com लेके आए। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोग एकत्रित कर रहे हैं, और उसमें सर का एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान है, बिकॉज सर नॉट ओनली कि यहाँ पे एक मेंबर है बट ऑल्सो एक अच्छे सर्जन है, ऑल ओवर इंडिया के वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट सर्जन है। सो उनका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है टू द मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री भी बहुत बड़ा है, और आगे भी मुझे मालूम है कि वो उसमें से भी एक समय निकाल के इसमें जो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन देने वाले हैं वो काफ़ी बड़ा योगदान रहेगा उनका। और मैं उनको बेस्ट विशेष दूंगा उनके ये नए इनिशिएटिव के लिए। तो
थैंक यू एवरीवन, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आपका स्वागत है रोटरी क्लब के इनिशिएशन सेरेमनी में, और मैं आप सब लोगों को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगा टू मिस्टर गणेश कांदलकर, who is the official insurance partner of Rotary Club, not only Bombay Bandra but Rotary Pan India.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
प्रेसिडेंट आज अपॉइंट होने वाले हैं, व्हाट इज योर बेस्ट विशेस फॉर हिम, एंड टेल अस अबाउट योर एसोसिएशन विद रोटरी क्लब एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद them?
It's been about half a decade that I have been in Rotary, and today I am finally demitting office. Year has been full of impact. We have done great projects, especially with Dr. Satyajit being part of the core team. He has led the way for creating medical impact, and in the year 25 since Dr. Satyajit joined the club, in the history of Rotary Bandra, the most impactful medical projects I can proudly say has been done in my year as the president, thanks to the backbone of the medical impact that we have been created, and that is Dr. Satyajit. So I am telling you, in the medical field of creating impact in my year, we would not have done a fraction. Dr. Satyajit was having medical projects by the week. I was not able to attend few. It was so frequent, and everything was set and ready by him. He was like, you just have to come, inaugurated. Imagine I was not able to inaugurate the number of medical camps that he has organized. And I can tell you, in my year, through the medical camps that Dr. Satyajit has organized, we have impacted thousands of women, of children, together as one team, as women, children, senior citizens, and women empowerment was a subject very close to my heart. I wanted to do everything that I could. So from financial literacy, from giving them AI skill development, to organizing medical camps with Dr. Satyajit. I mean, it's been a great journey, and I can say that I feel extremely satiated, and I am ready today to demit office and let the new president take over.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that what I've experienced in my term in Rotary, the best president and the most approachable president who I've seen, who has been more than a president, he has been a brother to me, is Trivan. Advocate Trivan Kumar has been more than a president, and he has selflessly attended all the projects and done work for the club.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.